Hello student, today I am teach class 5th chapter 1 History and Development of Computers. This chapter covers history of the computers, tabulating machine, abacus, ENIAC and UNIVAC, Pascaline, different generation of the computers, analytical engine. Hi children, do you know how was the computer developed and why? It was developed for not only making accurate calculation with high speed but also for other operation. In ancient time, people used to count and record the calculated information using stones and pebbles. Let us learn about it. History of the computer. कंप्यूटर का इतिहास. The word computer has been derived from the Greek word compute, which means to calculate. जो कंप्यूटर का वर्ड, कंप्यूटर शब्द जो ग्रीक वर्ड कंप्यूट से स्टार्ट हुआ है, उसका मीनिंग कैलकुलेट, गणना करना. इन एंशियंट टाइम पीपल यूज्ड स्टोन्स, पेबल्स और स्टिक्स टू काउंट द थिंग्स. कंप्यूटर वॉज एक्चुअली अ कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस built for long and difficult calculation. But these calculations used to take a long time and also led to many mistakes. Scientists finally, hundreds of years later, the computer was invented. This invention was not done in one single day. These were many other stages of development. Let us learn more about the history of the computer. In ancient time, बहुत प्राचीन काल में लोग पत्थर, कंकड़ को काउंट करके उसको जो है कंप्यूटर का यूज़ करते थे, जिससे गणना करने में बहुत कठिनाई होती थी बहुत टाइम पहले. बट फाइनली 100 ऑफ ईयर्स ईगो, जब जो है 100 साल पहले की ये बात है, अब जो है इन्वेंशन हुआ है एबेकस. एबेकस वॉज द फर्स्ट मैकेनिकल काउंटिंग डिवाइस दैट कुड काउंट लार्ज नंबर्स. इट कुड आल्सो परफॉर्म अर्थमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन. एबेकस जो है फर्स्ट मैकेनिकल काउंटिंग डिवाइस है, गणना करने वाली डिवाइस है, जिससे कि आप नंबर को भी जोड़ सकते हैं. इट कुड आल्सो परफॉर्म अर्थमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन. इट वॉज इन्वेंटेड अबाउट 50 ईयर्स एगो इन चाइना. इसकी जो है खोज 500 पहले चाइना में हुई थी. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ नंबर रॉड्स विथ बीड्स. ये जो रॉड्स लगे हुए हैं और बीड्स लगे हुए हैं, इसी से काउंट किया जाता था. काउंटिंग ऑन द एबेकस कैन बी डन बाय स्लाइडिंग these beads across the rods. It is divided into two parts. The upper parts known as heaven, and the lower part was known as earth. Pascaline. In 1642, Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented a calculating machine called Pascaline. 1642 में ब्लेस पास्कल, जो फ्रेंच मैथमेटिशियन ने खोज की थी कैलकुलेटिंग मशीन, उसे कहा जाता था पास्कलिन. It was second mechanical काउंटिंग डिवाइस, यह जो है सेकंड मैकेनिकल काउंटिंग डिवाइस थी। इट कुड हैंडल डेसिमल वैल्यूज बाय rotating a wheel from 1 to 9 steps. The device was made up of wheels and gears. It was used for adding number quickly. The dial this machine worked just like a telephone. Analytical engine. This figure is analytical engine. Charles Babbage was a British mathematician who is regarded as the father of the computer. उन्हें जो है चार्ल्स बेबेज को जो है कंप्यूटर का पिता कहा जाता है और इन्होंने ही एनालिटिकल इंजन का आविष्कार किया था। He had designed analytical engine in 1850. The analytical engine was powered by a huge steam engine. This machine has the ability to handle large amounts of data. It could process data at a high speed. He introduced the idea of storing and reading the information before processing. This idea is used in the modern computer nowadays. Tabulating machine. This is the figure of tabulating machine. In 1819, Hermann Hollerith, a German-American mathematician, invented a machine which worked on electricity for the first time. ये जो tabulating machine है ये electricity द्वारा फर्स्ट मशीन थी जो कि हरमन हॉलीरेथ ने आविष्कार किया था। It was an electrical device which could read data and give accurate results after processing data. It could read both numbers and letters. He had also introduced the concept of pushed cards. These cards became so popular that Hollerith started a company. This company was later known as IBM. हरमन हॉलीरेथ ने एक कंपनी की भी खोज की थी जिसे जाना जाता है IBM के नाम से, ENIAC and UNIVAC. In 1945, ENIAC, Electrical, Numerical, Integrated and Computer, was developed by two American scientists, namely John Mr. Mucci and J. Presper Scott. This machine had used decimal digits instead of binary digits. The ENIAC was the first high-speed electronic digital computer, EDC. Later, Mosley and Scott developed the UNIVAC, first Universal Automatic Computer, first in 1951. It was the first commercial electronic computer. It could work with both numericals and text data. Different generation of computers. This development of the computer took place in different stages called generation. Let us learn about them. First generation of computer, 1942-1956. In the first generation, vacuum tubes and magnetic drums were used. Computers were built in huge size. They were highly expensive. They used to consume much electricity and generate a lot of heat, which created several problems. Example of first generation of computers are UNIVAC and ENIAC. UNIVAC first refers to Universal Automatic Computer. First, it was the first commercial computer that was produced in the USA. Second generation of computer, 1956 to 1963. In the second generation of computer, vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors. Computers became smaller, faster and cheaper. They use less energy than before. It was possible to do programming in these computers. Computers during this stage were mainly used in the atomic energy industry. Example of second generation of computers are IBM 1401, IBM 350 RAMAC. Third generation of computer. In the third generation of computer, integrating circuits were developed. Transistors became smaller and were placed on silicon chips called semiconductors. It helped in increase the speed of the computer. Different programs could run on these computers at the same time. Computers came within the reach of the common man. An example of third generation of computer is IBM 360. Fourth generation of computers 1971 to till date. In the fourth generation, microphones were developed. These computers are still in use and are being developed further. Microprocessor chips were developed at this stage. 0 and 1 were coded to do arithmetical operation. These are known as binary numbers. Some computers of this generation are very small. They can fit into the palm of our hand. These computers are fast and efficient. They are used widely. The mouse and other handheld devices such as the joystick were developed during this stage. Computers can be linked together in a network to share information with each other. It has also led to the development of internet. Example are personal computer, workstation, etc. Workstation, laptop, palm top. Fifth generation of computer. These computers is still under the development stage. They have very high storage capacity, speed and efficiency. Computers of this generation are called supercomputers. A supercomputer has many CPUs connected together and can carry out a large numbers of scientific operations in a very short interval of a time. Computers are being developed in a way that they can think on their own like human beings too. This is called artificial intelligence. Robots work on this technology.